Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Toyota Avalon hood. Reach under the dashboard on the driver's side and pull the hood release lever firmly until you hear a click. Move to the front of the vehicle and slide your fingers under the hood center to find the secondary latch. Push the latch to the side while lifting the hood gently. Use the prop rod or hood strut to secure the hood before working. In this video, I will show how to open Toyota Avalon hood. After the interior release, place one hand under the hood center to locate the secondary latch and push it to the side while lifting slightly. Keep fingers clear of edges and lift the hood until it clears the latch area. Secure it using the prop rod by seating it into the designated hole or confirm the gas struts are holding the hood safely open. In this video, I will show how to open Toyota Avalon hood. Quick recommendation: if you like reading manuals and hands-on guides, the Kindle Paperwhite is a great pocket library for the garage and road trips. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical guides. Take a peek at the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to open Toyota Avalon hood. If the hood resists, inspect the release cable under the dash for slack or disconnection and reattach if needed. Spray lubricant into the latch and operate gently to free a sticky mechanism. For collision damage or heavy rust, carefully reach the latch through the grille using a long tool or remove the front trim for access, and consider professional help if unsure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.